In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email template in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Pipedrive if you haven't already. Once you're in the application, look over to the left sidebar menu and you'll see an option labeled Sales Inbox. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. It's the central hub for your email communications within Pipedrive. Now that you're in the sales inbox, it's time to compose your email draft. In the top left corner, you should see a button that says New Email. Click on that, and a fresh compose window will pop up, ready for you to work your wonders. Let's start by typing a clear subject line for your email. A good subject line is crucial because it sets the tone for what the recipient can expect from your message. Once you've crafted your subject, move on to writing the body of your reusable message. Think about what you regularly say to clients or leads. This is your chance to get all of that into a template. As you write, consider incorporating placeholders. This is a nifty little trick that allows you to personalize emails quickly. For example, you might want to include placeholders like first name or company name. Just place these inside brackets within your draft wherever you plan to customize the information later for individual recipients. This way, each email can feel tailored and personal, even though you're using a template. Once you're happy with your draft, it's time to save it as a template. To do this, look for the Choose Template drop-down menu at the bottom of your Compose window. Clicking on that will reveal a few options. You'll want to find the option that lets you save your draft as a template. Select that, and you'll be one step closer to having your reusable email at the ready. Now, you'll need to name your template. Think of a descriptive and recognizable name that will make it easy for you to find later. For instance, you could go with names like Intro Call or Follow-up No Reply. Having a clear name will save you time in the long run when you're searching for the right message to send. Once you've typed in your template name, don't forget to hit the Confirm button to save it. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email template in Pipedrive. This will not only streamline your email communication, but also help you maintain a consistent approach while saving you precious time on repetitive tasks. Remember, templates are particularly useful for common scenarios like reaching out to new leads or following up with past clients. So don't hesitate to create multiple templates for different situations as you see fit. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe so